Sairam everyone, welcome to day 5 of 30 days Excel challenge. Yesterday we have discussed regarding sum ifs, max ifs, min ifs and average ifs, no issues. So today the topic is yesterday we have written the sum ifs formula, min ifs formula, max if formula only with one criteria. But today let us see how to write the same formula with three different criterias or more than three criterias. How can we write? Let us see. Suppose this is what we have written yesterday. The sum range. What is sum range actually? It is the sales column, comma. What is criteria range? What does it mean by criteria? Here the criteria is location, right? So criteria range is location column, the column in which location exists. So this column. Next, what is the criteria here? Yesterday, as I think you remember it, we have linked a cell and we have written the value in that cell. So based on that, we have made some calculations, and after that, we have arranged something like data validation into that cell, so that we need not type in that cell. We can easily select from the available options that Excel gives us. This is what we have done, right? So the same thing I am doing it now. I'm just selecting a particular cell in which I can enter a particular value, or I can put a data validation into it. So this is how it happens. So the next thing is, what if I wanted to filter my data based on another criteria? Suppose I wanted to know my sales from Bangalore location, right? So this is what the formula is. Imagine I wanted to know my total sales in Bangalore from Bosch brand. So what should I do? I just put another comma. Now it is asking me to write criteria range 2. So Bosch brand is presented in brand column, right? This is the criteria range. And what is the criteria here? Brand is the criteria. So here, this is the cell I used to write. I have kept it to write the brand in here, so that the Excel will pick that brand and search in the table, and it can return the options to me. So I am giving it the value. So imagine I wanted to filter it by one more criteria. You can use multiple criterias. You can either filter it by 2 or 1, or more than 2 also you can filter it. Now I wanted to see in Bangalore location what is my total sales from Bosch brand, and at the same time what is my total sales from Bosch brand dishwasher product. Now let me give another criteria. So here it is asking me criteria range 3. What is the criteria range 3? Here I wanted to select the product. So I am selecting the product column here. Next thing is, I just link this cell. Whatever product I write in this cell, it will pick up and it will search in this table, and it will give me the sum of the sales column. This is what happens. So I am clicking enter here. So let us see. So this is what it gave. 24984 is the value that it has given me. So it means in Bangalore location from Bosch brand, from selling the dishwashers, I have made this much amount of sale. So let us cross check this. So from Bangalore location, from Bosch brand, so Bangalore is only selling only one brand. In Bangalore location, my stores are selling only one brand, that is Bosch. And from Bosch location, dishwashers. How many what is the total sale from dishwashers I am getting? Here I am select the dishwasher. See, 24984. This is how we can write sum if formulas by using multiple criterias. So in the same way, we can write max if and min ifs too. See here, I have selected few options. Yesterday I have shown you how to do this. Just copy the what and all the entries in this brand column. Just copy this brand column, paste it somewhere, like I have pasted it here. After pasting it, see, I have put the heading brand and I have pasted all the values here. After pasting it, I have selected them. I have selected whole thing, and I removed the duplicates by clicking it here. After removing the duplicates, what I have done is, I just click here. I went to data validation. I have selected the list, and after that I gave the range I gave this range. In sheet 7 I have removed the duplicates for the brand items, right? I have that range, I have given that range. Same wise I have collected all the products, removed the duplicates, and I have made data validations out of it. So this is how it works, this is how simply we can write a formula. I'll explain it once again for your understanding. So in earlier instances, what we have done is we have taken the sale sum range. So we have wanted to add the sales, that is the sum range. The next thing is, what is criteria 1? Criteria 1 is our location. Here he wants criteria range 1. Range means the column in which criteria exists, the column in which location exists. It is our location column, right? I'm selecting the location. I gave comma here. Next thing is criteria. What is the criteria? So instead of hard coding the criteria, yesterday I have shown you that I have put the location in double quotes, right? Like I have written it like this, Agra. So if you write like this, it is not it is called as hard coding the data. So we don't use it most of the times. We don't do such kind of things. We just link one particular cell. See, I just link one particular cell and I just write something in that cell. So the Excel can easily search that cell. So whatever I write in that cell, Excel take that as an input. So this is the first criteria done. If I wanted to filter the data only with one criteria, I can use this. If I want to filter the data with two criterias, this is what we should do. Now you can select criteria range 2. So what is criteria range 2? It is brand. So brand is located in this column. Take that column, put comma. Which brand you wanted to search? I write my brand usually here in this cell. So I have selected it, put comma. And if you wanted to filter the data by only two criterias, you can close the formula here, no issues. But if you wanted to go further and filter, you can write n number of criterias. You can add n number of criterias. So my next criteria is product, comma, and this is the cell where I used to enter my product. So this is how I write my formulas. But a little disclaimer here: when you write a formula with multiple criterias, always make sure that none of the criteria is becoming error. Suppose I'll tell you one thing. If you did not select anything here, uh, since we have made the data validation, there is no option for us not to select anything. But even though if you delete it and if you did not select anything here, automatically see from Bangalore location, from Bosch brand, we have got somewhere around I'll show you. From Bosch brand, we have got somewhere around 41418 rupees of sale has been done here. But since we have given the formula three criteria and we have only giving two criteria as input, it is showing 0. So what I recommend is, if you give three criteria in formulas, specify three things. Give input for all the three things. Otherwise, only write the formula with two criteria only. Write the formula with by giving only two inputs as a criteria. So this is what I mean to say. If you select this thing, then only the formula works better. For example, I wanted to check my total sales from Agra region regarding Samsung, where for Samsung only smart TVs are there. So this is what the total sale is for Samsung for smart TV product. For example, if I change this to hair dryer, it is 0. You can actually cross check it from Agra location. You can go to the brand, select Samsung. See, in Samsung, hair dryer product is not there. That's why it is showing 0. So you understood my point. This is how it works. And I'll tell you another most important thing here. Suppose what I want you to do is, so just copy paste the same formula which you wrote here In Samsung, how many smart TV is there, right? Just select smart TV here. So this is what the sale of smart TV from Agra location from Samsung brand. So suppose I am writing the same formula here, sum ifs. Now see one thing, you can actually copy paste this instead of writing all the formulas. It's time waste, right? You can actually copy paste this. So what I wanted to do is, instead of giving this cell as a reference for location, I just wanted to give this cell as a location reference for the location. So this cell name is M5, right? So I just wanted to give N5 as a reference for the location. So instead of N5, I just give N5. It will get highlighted, you can see. So at the same way, instead of M6, I just wanted to give N6. So instead of M7, I just wanted to give N7. I'll just tell you. I have written the same formula, as you can see, same formula by giving the same criteria here. What I have done is, I have taken an adjacent cell of that, which is an empty. I have created a new column. I just writing the new formula in that. So here what happened is, it is showing 0 because we did not make any selections here. And I already made a data validation to it even before beginning of this session. So as you can see, you can select Agra here, and at the same time you can select Samsung here. Same formula I have written here as I have shown you. So I'm selecting the smart TV here. See here, it is also it also showing the same value. Suppose imagine from Agra location, from Samsung, from smart TV, this is what the sale is. So imagine I just wanted to see from Pune location, what is the sale of my Samsung smart TV. So just select the Pune from the below drop down. So it is 0. So this is how you can compare actually two datas. I'll show you here from Pune location. Samsung smart TVs, right? So actually see, as you can see, here even Samsung brand is there, smart TV is not there, gaming consoles are there, refrigerators are there, but Samsung smart TV is not there. So that's why it has given you 0. So like this you can compare from Bangalore location, from Nagpur location, from Mumbai, what is the sale of Samsung smart TV, or from Ahmedabad location. See from Ahmedabad it is there. So as you can see, give this in this cell, give this formula, you can easily see the difference. So suppose Ahmedabad, Agra is your main branch, Agra is your head office, and you just wanted to compare all your branch sales to your respective main branch sale. So Agra is your main branch, Ahmedabad is your sub branch, or some agency you have given to some other fellows. You just wanted to compare the sales in these two regions. This is how you can do. This is the resultant, this is the difference. So in the same way, instead of Samsung, you can select any other brand like Vivo. From Ahmedabad also you can cross verify Vivo smart TV. In Ahmedabad there is 0 sale. So like that you can put different combinations and you can verify it.